What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Android x86 on your laptop or on your PC. So let's get this video started right after the intro. So the first thing you're going to need is a USB pen drive with at least 8 GB of free space, and you will need the Android x86 ISO file. So first open your favorite browser. I use Google Chrome, and you have to head on to this link over here. I will leave this link in the description down below. So for this video I'm going to be installing Android 8.1 on my laptop, and I'm going to be downloading the 32-bit file because my laptop is very old and it supports 32-bit. So all you need to do is click on that and the download will immediately start. I'm going to speed up the downloading process to save some of your time. Now you need to head over to this site and install Rufus 3.4. Just click on that and start downloading. Now after the two files are downloaded, you can close Google Chrome, and I recommend you to create a separate partition on your laptop or PC hard disk if you want to permanently install Android on your PC. And also I have connected my USB pen drive. Make sure it is formatted. Now we can go to our downloads folder and open Rufus. And now you need to select the pen drive which you are using to install Android on your PC, and you have to click on the select button and you have to browse for the Android x86 ISO file. Just double click on that, and now this partition scheme depends on your laptop. If you have a newer laptop, you have to choose GPT. My laptop is very old, so I'm just going to choose MBR, and now you can click start. And so you have to choose this option right in ISO image mode and click OK, and click OK again, and it will start writing it to the USB pen drive. Now you need to wait until this is done. Yes, I know that the screen is black. That's because my OBS software didn't capture correctly. So after the Rufus reaches 100%, you have to shut down your laptop and you have to boot into the pen drive. Okay, so now with your laptop shut down, you need to boot into the USB drive. So in my laptop it is F12 to get into the BIOS. In your laptop it might be different, so you are going to have to figure it out. Now I'm going to select USB storage. So this is the interface of installing the Android operating system on your laptop. So the first thing you need to do is you need to actually once run it live from the pen drive to see if everything works. My friend was complaining that the Wi-Fi was not working, So we're gonna have to check everything and then we can move on to installing it. So now you need to highlight the run Android x86 without installation and press enter. It will take some time. So as you can see, you see the Android logo. Now you have to give it some time to boot. So we are here at the setup screen of Android mobile. Let me just connect my mouse so I can operate it easily. Okay, so with the mouse connected, you can see the cursor is moving. Let me finish the setup. You can't see some stuff properly, but I will read it out so you can understand. So here what it's asking is if you want, which launcher do you want to choose. I'm just going to go with the launcher 3. I don't know what is it. And now as you can see, we have Android running live on our laptop. So first we're going to check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. So looks like the Wi-Fi is not working. So to fix this, you have to restart your laptop and go back into the USB. You have to boot back into the USB drive. So let's do that. Let me just close this. I'm just going to force shut down my laptop. Now we click restart and you have to boot back into your BIOS again. Now you need to highlight the USB storage and press enter. And now you're not going to open the first option. You're going to have to go into the debug mode and press enter. You need to highlight debug mode and press enter. And now you have to leave it to complete all these commands. Let me see if I can just show it to you correctly. Okay, looks like that may be enough. Now once it's done scanning everything, you have to type exit and press enter. And again you have to type exit and press enter. So now you can see the Android logo again. Okay, so after you wait for some time, you will come back to the home screen. So now we can check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi is working. Let me just connect and show you. As you can see, it says connected, so the Wi-Fi is working. So now you know that everything is working. Let's move on to the actual installation part, where you install the Android operating system on your system's hard drive permanently. So to do that, first you need to turn off your laptop again. So I just press my power button and it's going to show this Android like interface. I'm just going to shut down. And now you need to again turn your laptop or PC back on. And again go to the boot menu. And select USB storage. And now this time you have to choose the third option, which says installation. After you choose that, some commands will run, and now this is where you choose which partition you want to install the Android operating system. So I have already created mine. As you can see, it's labeled Android and I have given it 32 gigabytes of space. So now you need to highlight that and press OK. And this is actually your wish. I'm going to just not reformat it. Do you want to install bootloader grub? Yes, you have to install that. Now this is important. The installer found a Windows partition in I don't know what directory. Do you want to create a boot item for Windows? This is important, so when you have your Android operating system, you can either boot into Android or Windows. So when you turn on your laptop, it will ask if you want to boot into Android or if you want to boot into Windows. So we definitely need that, so I'm going to press Y, and also again here you have to press Y, and now you have to wait for it to install. If you have a SSD, this installation process will go very fast. And the next step is, as you can see, it's going to create a disk image to save the user data. So if you want to take photos or everything, photos or videos, it's going to save it to that partition. So press Y. So as you can see, I have created a partition with 32 gigabytes. So for the data.img, I am going to give it 8 gigabytes. So if you want to give your own custom space for it, you have to first, if you are doing this in a calculator, you can do this. First you need to type 1024, then multiply by how much space you are going to give it to the data.img partition, and once you get the answer, you need to type in the answer here. I chose 8 gigabytes, so I'm going to type in 8192, and then I will press enter. As you can see, Android x86 is installed successfully, so I'm going to run Android x86 now. So the Android operating system is starting up. So just like normal, it's going to start the setup again. You need to set it up like a normal Android device. So once you finish the setup, you have Android installed on your laptop or PC. You can do anything you want. You can download apps from the Play Store now that you have the Wi-Fi working. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.